following is a production of Temple University Beasley School of Law.
Good evening, everybody, and thank you for coming to the 2010 Polsky Moot Court Competition.
All rise.
I think, unlike the rest of law school where you're just kind of reading and you get an exam at the end, you don't really get to practice any of the subjects that you learn. This is something where you actually get up and practice a skill. And to get up and be able to speak or to write a brief and have it be critiqued and have your performance be critiqued, it definitely gives you feedback as to what you would actually be like as an attorney versus just how well you know criminal law.
I personally liked the process as a whole because I think it's very realistic, especially for us who are going to be, associates somewhere, or first-year attorneys for some people. I think it's really realistic because you're given a packet and told to bring it to life. I think it's different than a lot of other things that school offers in the sense that you're not required to do this here, this here, this here. It's really about how you want to do it.
When I first received the packet, I saw the number of cases, and I thought it was a staggering amount of cases. And I really thought to myself, how am I supposed to get through this and the first 2 weeks of classes to actually put together a brief?
But I almost didn't write the brief just because it's the end of the summer and it's a lot of work. And once you get the brief done, it all kind of flows.
But then additionally, I would say, keep going through it, keep working even though the classes have begun and your coursework has begun, because you're going to find out things about yourself that you didn't know. You might find out that you're a great oral advocate. You thought you were a good oral advocate, but now you find out you're a really great oral advocate.
I think it really helps you, and it will help sort of develop your skills and your ability to orally argue and things of that nature.
From the first round to the final round, I think you definitely see an improvement in your oral performance because you take tips from the other rounds and kind of apply them, so you can only get better.
I'm glad that I didn't let doubt seep in at times when I thought I wasn't going to be able to get the brief accomplished. I'm glad I didn't let doubt seep in at times when I thought that the next rounds are going to be too difficult and I should just call it quits. I learned a lot about myself throughout the competition.
I think the best piece of advice I could give is do it and take it seriously and do the best that you can, because it's a great experience and it's the first thing that we really did in law school that people got to see our work product. Before this, it's professors that see your exams, it's your LRW professor that reads your brief, and it's your LRW professor that you argue to. This is a much more public thing. It's here's what I've been working on, here's what I've done, isn't this great?